So yeah, okay. Uh, Try and exception. Yeah. So track back most recent call last. File study folder advanced. This is a file handling. Line number 3 in module D. A divided by B. Zero division error. Division by zero. That is called runtime error. Division by zero means this is runtime error. Confused. Compiler is confused. So generate a runtime error. But compiler is confused. So generate a runtime error by machine. But I do not understand division by zero. What is division by zero? This is runtime error. But if I say create my error, my runtime error, so that is the exceptions. So what handle two types. This is rest of code and create of runtime error. Got it? What is a runtime error? Because A is 10, B is 0. A
Yeah,
divide. Okay, okay,
I
okay.
think
Yeah. Sorry. Yeah. So first of all, an exception is runtime error which can be handled by the programmer. So what is a runtime error? So I will execute. Runtime error means A equal to 10, B equal to 0, and D, A divided by B. So A divided by B, so D, print of D, rest of code. So what is a runtime error? Except this is runtime error. So zero division by zero. So compiler is confused. So generate this error. So what is a division by zero? Compiler don't understand, machines don't understand, and same programmers don't understand. So programmer handle this error and runtime error and unstable error define a programmer. So two types try and exceptions. So what is this? You got understand what is a runtime error? Fayaz, what is a runtime error? Got it?
yes, sir, got it.
Any error to define, any error to show machine for machine, any error show machine by compiler, but do not understand a programmer. That is runtime error. Okay. And okay, all expectation are represent classes Python. This is not. Okay. Need of exception handling. So okay, this is programmer and I will to handle this code. So this is handle this code. Okay. Yeah. This is code to comment and yeah. A equal to 10, B equal to 0. Try. If you do not handle this code, so very complicated code to define try. Try is a handle this code. Okay. D equal to A divided B. Print D inside try. Okay. Because this code is not divisible by 0. So runtime error, execute runtime error. But try is handle this code. So D equal to D A minus A divided by B. Print D. Print inside the try. Except this is try and exception. Zero division by error. So this is error. Zero division by error. Define this here. Okay, exception because handle this code. Convert this error to convert this. So division by zero not allowed. This is not readable, not understandable, but this is understandable and readable. So convert this error to convert this and rest of code. So what is the exact error? Yeah, division by zero. Division by zero not allowed. Rest of code. Okay, this is a your handler. So which is the best? This error? Yeah, this error. Which is the best? Red line या फिर perfect comment line?
Comment line, sir.
Okay, yeah, commit. Division by zero, not allowed. Okay, this is a perfect because handle this code try and catch. Any code handle this try because your if you do not understand what is the actual error, what is the actual runtime error, so go for try and exception. Yeah, need of exception handling. Why need of exception handling? Because when an exception occurs, the program treatments suddenly. Okay, when an exception occurs, the show na my window. Yeah, sure. So when an exception occurs, the program treatments suddenly. Okay, suddenly treatments of program may corrupt the program. An exception may cache data loss from the database or a file. Okay, so need exception handling. Exception and your data is destroyed because your error is not readable. So how to handle it? So need exception handling. Okay, exception handling. So what is exception handling? Try. The try block contains code which may case exceptions. Case exception means go error. So you decided this runtime error, only runtime error. So the try block contains code which may case exceptions. Okay, and syntax is try your statements and accept. The accept block is used to catch an exception that is raised in the try block. Okay, there can be multiple except block for try block, and syntax is accept exception name and statement. Same, this is accept exception name and your syntax statements. Okay, exception handling. Else, this block will get execute when no exception is raised. Else block is execute after try. If say block, syntax, else statements. Finally, this block will get executed ir- irrespective of whether there is an exception or no. Syntax finally statement. So I will show except and else. Okay. So a and b values try d a divided by b print of d inside try division by zero and print division by zero not allowed else print inside else rest of code. So except division by zero inside else. If you do not allow this code, so else is generate, not generate else because else predefined, else is defined only except in except without not use, not usable. Okay, and if I should go through finally, So a comma a equal to b, try this inside except 0 by divisional, else inside finally, print inside finally, rest of code. Not a print, because this is already defined, because inner except else and finally. So inside your block, if why we use else and finally, because अगर except one exception, two exception, multiple exception, handle it. So go through else part and finally part. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Next part. So we can write several except block for a single try block. Okay. We can write multiple except block to handle multiple exceptions. We can write try block without any except blocks. We cannot write except block without try block. Okay. That is not, we cannot write except block without try block. So try is mandatory. Without try, not working your exception. Finally, block is always executed irrespective of whether there is an exception or not. Okay. Else block is optional. Else is optional. Or final block is optional. Both are optionals. Okay. Seventh. Same try statement, exception statement, else statement, final statement, same. Try, same. Try statement and exception, and try statement and exception. I will show already examples. Except. Except means with the exceptions class name. With the exception class name, except exception class name statements. Exception and as an object, exception, except exception class name and objects. So this is your syntax, but I will show real examples. Okay. Object. A of 0, A of 10. Try. This is same block except division by 0 as a OBG. OBJ means as a aliasing. That is short name OBG, not object. This is short name OBG. Okay. So print this. Yeah. Why we should go through? Yeah, inside a finally rest of code. Yeah, अब है ना? But I will set this program. So division by 0. So what is the error? What is the object? Rest of code division by 0, because this is a as a object, as a slicing. So except the 0 division error. So this is convert as slicing and convert division by 0. If you note division by 0 inside, so go through error and division by 0. Both are same. As a obj, as a o to convert o, same executions. Yeah, same executions. And multiples, except multiples, multiple exceptions. Name error, division by 0 errors. A of g, yeah, a of b, a divided by b. Then create this, yeah. Same. Why you not generate error? Because this is division by zero, only one execution na. So this is normally, if you want to multiple exception, so the exactly division by zero, so there are division by zero na. Okay, 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 yeah. If I say generate G, okay, if I generate G, because G is not divisible by, so what is the error? Yeah, name G is not defined. Name error, because G is not defined. Okay, perfect. This error already you know what is a return, but this is a except, this is not execute, but this is a execute, except name error as a OB. Name error means G, and G is not defined. Okay,
Okay, sir.
yeah. Except multiples. Except multiple exceptions. Except class name 1, except class name 2, except class name 3 statements. So name error and zero division error. One except and multiples error to define. Okay. Zero division by error not show, but name error na. So name error will display. Yeah. So name G is not defined because name G first value error executed. If I say second value executed, so A of B. So second value executed. Division by zero. So second value is executed. Okay. And fourth is accept. Fourth is accept. Yeah. Catch any type of except this is statement and this. Accept and catch both are same. Try catch, yeah, try accept both are same. Try catch is used to only Java. Java and C++. But try and accept only for usable Python. Yeah. Try accept, print accept exception handler without any errors. Exception handler, but not any value error. Define error, yeah, not define error. This is define error na, but with not define error. So same. If you want to define error, if you define runtime error, because any developer to handle this code, you want to understable. Okay, why this syntax are used, why this error are used, because this is generate runtime error. So I will handle try case and I will print this error. So use the division by error. Yeah, except assert statement. The assert statement is useful to ensure that a given condition is true. If it is non-true, it raises assertion error. Assertion error. Assertion error. Okay. Syntax assert condition error message. If the condition is false, then the exception by the name assertion error is raised along with the message. If message is not given and the condition is false, then also assertion error is raised without message. So how to assertion? Okay, assert is message. So a equal to 20, assert a less than equal to 10, invalid number. So yeah, invalid number. Assert a invalid number. Assertion error. This is defined assert and this is assertion error. So what is the assertion error? This is main function. This is a main. If the condition is false, then the exception by the name assertion error is raised along with the message. If message is not given, the condition is false and then also assertion error is raised without message. So same condition with the same error. Assertion error invalid number. But this is dummy purpose, not is used. A programmer can create his own exceptions called user defined exceptions or custom exception. Create exceptions, class using exception, class as a base class, raising exceptions, handling exceptions. This is user defined exceptions. We can create exceptions. We can create on exception by creating a subclass. Two built-in exceptions class my exception pass, class my exception def. This is this is constructor self edge. This is self dot arguments and self dot arguments. Raising exception. How to create? So custom exception. Yeah. So custom exceptions is class balance exception to return a parameter pass exception. Pass. This is a comments. Def init self arguments self dot message arguments. Def check balance money 10,000 withdrawal 9,000 try balance equal to money minus withdrawal 10,000 minus 9,000 if balance less than equal to 2,000 so raise balance exception insufficient balance print balance accept balance exception as a b print b check balance. So this is a real time example. This is not this is real time example withdrawal money. Okay. Insufficient of balance. This is your user defined exception. Okay. So raise statement is used to raise the user defined exception. Raise my exception message. Same raise my exception and your message. Handling exception using try and except block programmer can handle exception. Try statement my exception as my v. Errors with exception. What is the error with exception? An exception is an error that can be handled by a programmer. An execution which are not handled by programmer because an error. All exceptions occur only at a runtime. Error may be occur at a compile time or runtime. This is exception. All exception are occur only runtime. Means exception only execute at a runtime, not a compile time. But error may be occur at a compile time or runtime, both. Errors with warnings. It is compulsory to handle all error, otherwise program will not execute. It is compulsory to handle all errors, otherwise program will not execute. While warning represents a caution, and even thought it is not handled, the program will execute. Errors are derived as a subclass of standard error, while warning derived as a subclass from warning classes. So warning and error both are different. If you want, destroy this name error, value error, this is compile time. But after the compile time, generator runtime error should do not resolve this. Okay. So this is your
Okay, sir.
part. This is your part. Exception handling is done. Okay.
ठीक है सर.
So which one? Okay. Fayaz, Krishna, done. Fayaz, Fayaz, where are you? Are you listening me? Fayaz,
sir.
are you listening me,
Sir.
Fayaz?
Yes, sir. Listening. My speaker problem. Headphone.
Okay, okay. So done it from my side. Can you any query regarding for this exception handling? Any query?
No, sir.
Krishna,
sir.
Krishna,
नो सर.
Souvik,
नहीं सर.
नहीं है. ठीक है, तो चलो
नहीं,
ये सेशन दो कंप्लीट हो गए अपने मॉड्यूल्स. पहला तो हो गया आपका फाइल हैंडलिंग, दूसरा हो गया एक्सेप्शन हैंडलिंग. सो बोथ आर
Okay.
डन. एंड नेक्स्ट टुमारो इज हॉलीडे and day after tomorrow is holiday, so 2 days are holidays because tomorrow is 26th is Republic Day and Tuesday Wednesday my week off, so class will be continued Thursday.
ओके
ठीक है
सर.
सर.
No, sir.
Got it?
सर notes.
Notes I will provide notes today or tomorrow I will provide it.
सर हम लोग को टपल डाटा स्ट्रक्चर तक दिए थे आप.
हाँ I will ट्रिपल तक दिया था मैं, टपल्स तक.
हाँ.
ओके या
उसके बाद से दे दीजिएगा.
set dictionary functions python date file handling oops modules packages. I will told I will send you tomorrow या फिर
Okay,
today. Okay.
ओके सर.
Okay,
ओके
sir.
सर.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
ओके सर.
Okay.
बाय
Bye
सर.
bye. Okay. Bye bye.